Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energies. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have about your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards first. We will start with the cards for your general energies. So you have birds, clover, and stock. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, guys, you are thinking about something, maybe planning something, or you want to decide on something, but you do not have clarity, and that may be the reason you are asking people, maybe your close friends or family, maybe your parent or siblings, ideas how to handle this situation or this circumstance. So people are giving you ideas, or maybe you are talking to them about your situation, about your career choices, or maybe you are talking to them about this person you love. So you want some decisions to be made and you are planning for your future and making the right decision today, guys. You want to go for that right choice. That may be the reason you are discussing your situation with the people who are close to you. And Scorpios, I see that maybe for some of you, this relationship is moving towards marriage or engagement, or maybe you are starting a family together, you may be having a child, or in your career situation, some new opportunities are coming towards you. It may be a new beginning, you are seeing a new project coming your way, some kind of new opportunity reaching you today in your career situation, guys. And I also see in your situation, Scorpios, something unexpected is coming towards you. Maybe you never expected this to happen, so it may be such a change or such an offer in your work situation or in your relationship. So you are going to be extremely lucky today, guys. Scorpios, things are just going smoothly for you, and the circumstances are aligning with your dreams and goals. So whatever you have wished for is coming true, guys, today, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have book. So in your relationship, guys, you are moving towards a deeper understanding. So maybe for some of you, you wanted clarity about this person, you want to clear things with them, and maybe you may have the right opportunity for that today. So you are learning more about this person and you know them clearly, what is in their heart and what do they want, what are their likes and dislikes, or whether this relationship will work for you. So some positive things are what you are seeing today about them, and it is helping you to move towards a better understanding and a beautiful, meaningful relationship with this person, Scorpios. So for your career situation, Scorpios, we have letter. Again, another positive card here, guys. So you are getting some positive news. It may be a happy news, announcing something. So, some happy announcement is what I see for you guys, Scorpios, in your career situation, guys. So, that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. So, things are going in a very positive way for y'all, guys, and you are extremely lucky today, Scorpios. So, that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong. But the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.